Hi guys, and welcome to our next vlog. We are enjoying another relaxing weekend before Easter weekend when we're having family over. We're gonna be cooking some things. I will be coloring eggs on probably Friday, and I will actually share that with you because this is something I really enjoy every year. I use natural ingredients, and it's really fun to do. So I'm gonna share that with you later this week. But today we're gonna be going for a walk as usual with Dalia, enjoying the weather. It is a little bit chilly today, but it will still be nice. I'm also making a pair of earrings right now. I wanted to just show you. Um, I used to make earrings for my Etsy shop about 10 years ago. I used to sell a lot, and they're just handmade earrings, bracelets, mostly, and I use natural stones and glass and crystal. So it's really, I like combining the materials and colors. Right now I just mostly make them as gifts for friends and family, or if I need a pair to match something I'm wearing. So I would like to start making more of them, but I wanted to just show you a simple process and share that with you how I make them. Also, Omar is out, went for a run, and he's gonna pick us some coffee. But in the meantime, I'm also going to make us some lunch. I'm gonna make a Bosnian musaka. It's similar to the Greek one. They call it, I think, it's musaka, but we pronounce it a little bit differently in Bosnia. And our version, we make the sliced potatoes, ground beef, eggplant you can add on top, and then another layer of potatoes, and then an egg, sour cream, milk mix on top to make everything nice and brown when it's baking. And yeah, it's one of my favorite meals. So I was really craving it, so I decided to make it today since I have a little bit more time, and it takes a little bit of a while just to slice all the potatoes, and when it's cooking in the oven it's about an hour. So today I have a little bit more time to do that. So yeah, I hope you're gonna enjoy our vlog this time. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how I make a simple set of earrings. They're gonna be similar to the ones I'm wearing right now. um, I think these I made a while ago. I found some similar materials, so we're gonna kind of try and make something similar to this. Alright guys, so these are the earrings we're making. I just made one, but I'm gonna try and show you how I make the second one right now. So we're taking one of these head pins, and then I'm putting a small bead on. So I'm gonna show you like this, and then we're gonna put the next one on as let's see, this metal one. Let's see, like this. And you can do any order you would like. That's what makes it fun, is you can combine materials and colors. And then I'm just adding another metal piece to the top. Now we're twisting the wire, so we make a hoop at the top. So we're basically just twisting it around. It just kind of goes in a circle until It's ready to be cut. So let's cut it. There we go. And now we just make sure there's no sharp end. There we go. So it's pretty much done. And now you put the hoop on. Let's see this. You open up this part and just put it on like this. And it's done. Go. The original pair is the one on the left, and then we have on the right is the ones we just made. So let me know what you think, and if there's anything else you would like me to make, different materials or shapes or anything like that, just let me know in the comments and I can show you again next time.
Okay, so Maya and I were talking about the Dubai chocolate yesterday that it really made us crave it. So I just got done running. I'm going to go in the coffee shop, grab a couple pieces of chocolate, some of their yummy coffee, and then later on, we're going to give you guys our opinion on how good it is, okay? Join me. These are all coffee beans right here. Very neat. Okay guys, so here it is. I got some Dubai chocolate cheesecake. Here's their coffees. And they have a nice little display here. Support Gaza. I love it.
Here Omar brought some coffee. It smells like cardamom. It smells really nice, and that we wanted some Dubai chocolate but they didn't have any, so he got some Dubai chocolate cheesecake. Hopefully another time we can show you the real Dubai chocolate, but this looks really nice too. I wanted to show you guys these little monkeys. They're the Monchichi type. I found these at Urban Outfitters. I bought them for Dalia, but she doesn't really care for them. Maybe when she's a little bit older, she's gonna like them. But now I love these guys because I used to have one when I was a kid. It was a similar Monchichi. I actually have it somewhere. I'm gonna find it and show you guys. But I was just wondering if you guys like these. Let me know in the comments. Here's another one of their friends. I got Dalia this little guy, but she doesn't like him either. I think it's for kids that are a little bit older. But I love them.
Get on it. Yeah, there we go. The back wheel has lights, the back one. And the llama. Huh? The llama. Where's the llama? Yay. Yeah. Oh, hug? Hug the llama?
Alright, guys, look at this. Looks like it's done. It's still hot. And we're really hungry. It smells really delicious. Even Dalia is smelling it, and she's very picky, but we're gonna try and give her some.
Here we go, she's trying it.
Very nice. I thought it needed salt, but it's good.
Grab one. Ready? Do it at the same time.
Guys, let's try this delicious Dubai chocolate cheesecake. Dalia is cleaning up. She had some musaka. Alright, tell us how you like it. We're really happy that Dalia ate some musaka. She's very picky. Alright, how is the cake? Is it very sweet?
No, it's actually not very sweet. It's actually really good, but I don't like the fact that it's too sweet, which is a great thing. But you can still taste like the pistachio in there, the chocolate flavor, which is not too heavy, and then it's got this like the crushed.
Oh, like the yeah,
chocolate
like
flavor crust. So this is just the kanupa or kunafa stuff.
Yeah, the crunchy. We were visiting a new park today. There's a little playground over there.
Hi.
This actually reminds me of Europe. A park like this.
Maya was saying that this park reminds her of Europe, and I was saying mine is the brutalist. Those big buildings with the apartments, like Russia style communist buildings.
Oh, the Eastern Europe.
Yeah, Eastern European buildings. We don't see any of these here.
Those, yeah, and the apartment buildings like that.
Look at Dalia go. She's a fast little toddler.
She's running to the playground. Oh my, look at that. How cool is that?
Oh yeah, they have a little house up there, a playhouse. We're checking out a new park since we love nature so much. It's a pollinator garden. This will be pretty in the summer. It's a nice park for the children here.
Go, go, go. Let's go, Dalia. Mm-hmm. What do you have there, Dalia? Wow. It's a new bike. We needed a bigger one. Gonna try it out. Watch out.
I have this tube with the tube that I put in this box here.
It's up here. Yay. And the handle.
Here, now put them on the pedal. What do you put in the pedal? In the pedals. Yeah, those black pedals. Pull these down. Pull these down. Okay? Yeah, push with your feet. Push with your feet. Push with your feet.